how to give good care of hairs after hair transplant.
So finally, you have gone through hair transplant. And now worried? How to take care of your hair transplanted grafts.
Stop thinking a lot about it. Here are some points which will help you in it. Keep these points in mind and take good care of your hairs. Smile.
Have a healthy diet. Lots of fruits and vegetables.
Keep yourself hydrated.
Drink lots of water.
Keep your head clean. Shampoo your hairs regularly as guided by your doctor.
Avoid oiling. Don't put oil till 15 to 20 days after hair transplant. Excessive use of hair products. Avoid using lots of hair products.
Avoid consumption of smoking.
Don't smoke. If can't leave it, at least don't do for 1 month. Heavy exercise. Don't take heavy exercise immediate after surgery. Continue after 1 week. Avoid rubbing the hairs. Avoid rubbing the transplanted hair grafts, as they are delicate for initial 1 week. Keep hair moisturized. Keep transplanted hair moist by spraying normal saline to prevent scalping. Save your hairs from sunlight. Avoid direct sunlight on transplanted area. Keep it covered with cap and hanky while going out. Regular medication. Take regular medication as advised by the doctor to prevent infections.
Avoid stress.
Don't take lots of stress and worried about your hairs.
Be relaxed.
Welcome your shining hair with happiness, not with stress. Like us for more updates.